Hey there, happy Sunday. How to use Sunday best to supersize your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom today, our idioms today, because we're going to talk about more than one, has to do with Sunday. Sunday best being one of them. Sunday's finest, Sunday go to meeting close, Sunday fun days, 6 ways to Sunday, a month of Sundays. Sundays are Sunday, meaning Sunday, the day of the sun, are the seventh day of the week, which has been deemed by God in many religions to be the day of rest. Now, on March 7th in 321, the Roman Emperor Constantine I actually decreed that Sunday was a day of rest. People like judges and laborers were not allowed to work on Sunday. It became a crime to work on Sunday because, he jumped on the Sunday bandwagon that, everybody should rest once in a while. Now, how do you use your Sundays? How would you ideally like your Sundays to play out, and how do you actually use them? That's what I was asking myself today, because I do what I want on Sundays. Sunday is my day to rest, recharge my batteries, relax, plan, worship for many, appreciate, focus on gratitude, focus on what is working, not on what's not working, organize my thoughts and get ready for the next week. I sit down and I spend some time on Sunday, usually Sunday evenings, and I spend a little bit of time reviewing what happened last week, what worked well, what I wish I hadn't done, or wish I had done, or wish I had done better, and just kind of reviewing the week and making sure that I've learned what it was I needed to learn last week, so I can apply those lessons going forward in my life. Then I spend a little bit of time planning my big picture items and the goals and objectives and what I need to make sure I get done in the following week. What do I want to get done next week? I spend time with my family. I spend time with friends. I relax. I unwind. I usually get in a little exercise, a little bit, but very small amounts of screen time. But it's my time to do projects and research or write or do whatever it is that I've been wanting to do all week long, but I've had other commitments and I haven't necessarily gotten to it. So curious, how do you use your Sundays? What do you do? Do you have a Sunday ritual? Is it different than your everyday ritual? I will admit there are things that I do 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Not because I expect anyone else to, but because I know that it's good for me. It's right for me. I get up about the same time every single day, no matter what day of the week it is, because I know that it is best for me to have some consistencies and some routines in my life, for my current situation, for my life, for my health, for my physical well-being, for my mental well-being, for whatever, for my reasons, I choose to do that. A lot of people love to sleep in on the weekends. I used to when I was young. I loved to sleep in on the weekends. I didn't have to get up, didn't have to be at work at 3 o'clock in the morning. So on the weekends, I might have actually slept in till 6 o'clock till the kids woke me up. Like, that was a huge difference. So Sunday, I would love to know your favorite Sunday idiom or saying, if you've got one, and what your favorite thing about Sunday is. I have always loved Sundays. A lot of people used to dread Sundays. I remember back in corporate America, people would be whining on Monday about how their Sunday was ruined because they had to come to work today. I always laughed inside, not to their face, but always thinking, Mondays are awesome. Mondays were the best. I love Mondays. Mondays are always fun. If you do what you love to do, if you like what you do, if you've planned your week and you've set yourself up moving in the direction you want in your life, Mondays are awesome, right? Because Sundays, everybo's been relaxing and they've out of work and you can't call and bug them because it's Sunday. But on Mondays, you can go right at it. So Sundays, I love Sundays. I would love to know your thoughts about Sunday. Share in the comments below. And I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it in your business right now? Take care. Bye. Have a great Sunday.